Hello and welcome to MISLUX. First up, we have the Chanel beautiful quilted melodies. It is a zippy. It's going to be black with gold hardware. Gorgeous. This is actually the lambskin edition. As you can tell, it's beautiful and supple. The leather is really nice. This, I believe, is made out of calfskin leather. You can tell that the patina that it's getting is absolutely gorgeous. It still has some wear and tear. A little bit of discoloration on the CCs, but I think the best is yet to come. Let's look at the inside. Ooh, beautiful. Card slots and everything. Let's check out the tissue paper. As you can see from the interior shot, doesn't have too much wear, very well taken care of. It does have its signature stamp. Usually the French Chanels will have a stamp on here and it will tell you where it's from. No, this one was made in France. This has 4 card holders, the change slot, another 4 on the other side, the Chanel stamping in gold, 2 sides for bills, and the interior pocket. To authenticate a lot of these Chanel bags and wallets, check the zipper. Zipper should be buttery smooth on both interior and exterior. And I always like giving it a smell test because you want to smell the quality in the leather. This is a beautiful wallet and it can be yours. It's available now at MISLUX. This is a highly collectible item, so I wouldn't sleep on this one. Beautiful, huh? 7.5 inches on the width, and it would be 4 inches on the height. I'm gonna show you both sides. Beautiful. It still has an amazing sheen. Chanel wallets are something to be amazed by.